We'll see border layout. In border layout, we can arrange component in 5 different regions. Regions are east, west, north, south and center. There are two constructor of border layout. First one is the default constructor, means there is no parameter is called as a default. We can add a component in any region here like east, west, north, south and center, but there is no gap between the component here. And suppose if you want a gap between two components, we need to specify horizontal pixel value here and vertical pixel value. There are different constants. Border layout dot center. Suppose if you are using this constant border layout dot center, we'll get the component in center region. Suppose the border layout dot south, you will get a component in south region. Likewise in east, west and north region. Now we'll see the code by using border layout. Then I will write here set layout method. Set layout, set layout, new border layout. I am using here first constructor of border layout. Border layout. This is first constructor. It is called as a default constructor. And now create button here. Suppose button. You can create any component. I am creating here button. Type button. New. Everyone know how to create the button component. Button. Here the button name is suppose B1. I have given here write in double quotation because string always enclosed in double quotation. Then I will copy this. Then one more button. No need to add no need to cover all the regions. You can add in any region. Like suppose if you want button to be displayed in east and west, then it is also enough. Then change the here object B3. Then write here suppose B4 and this is B5. And change this name also. You can write any name. I will write here B2, then B3, B4 here, and here the B5. And then add it to different region. Then we need a add method to add a component in applet. Then add. Then what is component name? First component is B1 button. Right, border layout. Border layout. We need to use constant here. Border layout. Suppose east. All should be capital. This east. All letters should be capital. East. Then likewise you can add in different region all these button. Then again right there are 5 buttons. Then right here B2 button I am adding in west region. Then B3 add here. Then suppose north and this will add in region south region and object is here B4 and B5 will add in center. Likewise, we can create any component here like label, choice, list, text field and text area and add in different region. Now this complete the close init method and close class here. Then we need to write applet tag. Applet tag I have already added here. Only change the file name. I have written a border11 here border11. Okay, the save this file. This is already saved. Just click on save and execute the program. And then Java file name border11 I have given the name and Java and run it by using applet viewer command. Right here applet viewer file name dot java. See, I got output like this. We will check the region. This is east region, this is west, and this is north, and this is south, and this is center. See, region wise, check the output. We got proper output or not. B1 I have added in east region. That's why I got B1 in east. B2 I have added in west region. You see, B2 is here, and north I have added B3, correct? And this is south region. These region are fixed. This is east, west, north, south, and center. And I have added B5 in the center region. And suppose if you change this border layout, and if you go for the second constructor, in first output there is a no gap. Sorry, there is no gap here in component. See, these are the attached area wise. This is attached all. There is no gap between the component. Then I will go for the second constructor here. We'll put a horizontal pixel value and vertical pixel value, and see the output. We'll get a gap between two component, different component, and compile this once again. See here, it is separated by region wise. All these components mean this is the difference between two constructor here. We will get this type of output. There is a gap, this component is separated, this button is also separated, this is also separated, this one is separated, and this is center area. Likewise, we'll get the output using border constructor, border layout constructor.